Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this potato starch, this homemade potato starch with no discoloration. If it's your first time of stopping by, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. So for this tutorial and this potato starch, I'm going to be making lots of DIYs with it. So stay tuned. So to make this potato starch, I'm going to start off by peeling my potato. I've already peeled the potatoes, but I'm peeling this particular one so you see the species of potato I used in this in making the potato starch. So after peeling my potatoes, I'm going to wash it, clean and damp it. At this point, I'm cutting it into cubes. So after cutting my potatoes into cubes, I'm going to transfer it into a blender. Then I'm going to add equal amount of water to the potato and I'll start blending it. So after blending it with the help of a cheesecloth and a strainer, I'm going to strain the potato liquid. So I'm going to carefully strain this. At this point, I'm using my spoon to make sure I strain out the juice from the potato. So at this point, I'm going to give it a little squeeze to make sure I'm able to extract all the juice from the potato. So here's the potato juice. I'm going to cover and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. So here are the chaff I got from the potato. So with this starch, you can make potato snacks with this. But for this tutorial, I'm focusing more on the starch, not in the chaff. So here's my potato juice after 1 hour. At this point, I'm going to strain the water and leaving the starch at the bottom. And you also notice the water is not clear. So I'm going to remove this water and add a clean water to the potato starch. So you can see the potato starch at the bottom. So I'm adding a clean water to it. And after adding the clean water, I'm going to mix it again with the water, then allow it again for another 1 to 2 hours. So what I did here, I transferred it to a smaller bowl because the bowl I used at first was bigger. So here is the potato after 1 hour. You see that the bottom has the starch. So at this point I'm straining it again. I'm taking off the water, leaving the starch at the bottom. And you also notice that the water still has color. So at this point I'm adding the third water, the round of water to it. At this point my potato starch is ready. The next step is to spread it and dry it. So I'm sun drying this potato starch, and I'm going to dry it for 1 to 2 hours. So after 2 hours my potato starch is ready. So the next step, I'm going to blend it again into fine powder. So here is my potato starch, and because it has some particles, some seed in it, I'm going to use a strainer to make sure I sieve it, so I have the fine powders and taking away the particles, the seed from it. So like I mentioned earlier, at this point I'm trying to sieve it to make sure I have my fine powders below, and the ones on top are the ones that are still not blended, and I'm going to do that again. I'm going to repeat the process. Guys, at this point my potato starch is ready. So stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be making lots of DIYs with this potato starch. I'm ranging from body cream, hair cream, toners and syrup. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell if you've not done so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So the next step is to put my potato starch in a container, an airtight container, so that I can preserve it. And with this way, this potato starch can last for several months. Please don't forget to use the comment section if you have any question or concern as regard the potato starch, how to preserve it, what to make with it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.